Yesterday, I saw this video trending online, and Afoko doctor even made some comments about it. He couldn't believe that they were mixing dye with palm oil. Omo, if you there for not, you gonna say this update you don't cast since na normal thing for them to mix dye with palm oil. But however, here's what we are going to do today. If you have a bottle of palm oil in your kitchen right now, if you stay in northern Nigeria, and you have a bottle of palm oil in your kitchen right now, and you want to test whether it is fake, I'll show you 3 ways to do so. The first test we are going to conduct is called the floating test. This is the same test Apoko doctor also showed us how to conduct. So how you conduct this test is this. You get an empty container, preferably a transparent container. You get small quantity of your palm oil, the one you have in the kitchen right now. And then you get a bottle of water. How do they call them? When I the UK, a bottle of water. So once you have these 3 items already, let's get into action. So what you're going to do is you pour small quantity of water into the empty container. You follow it up with small quantity of your palm oil. As you can see, from my palm oil, it came to the top. That is how it is meant to be. If your palm oil it sinks to the bottom, and see, that palm oil bad though. The palm oil is meant to sit at the top. But anyway, that is it. So what we are going to do next is, once this palm oil is at the top, we follow it up with more water. So as you pour more water, the palm oil keeps traveling to the top. Now you notice something in the bottom. For me, my bottom is clear. There is nothing traveling down. But if you have dye in your palm oil, you will notice that sprinkles dye powder will start traveling to the bottom. You start noticing it bit by bit down to the bottom of your. So let's move on to the second test. The second test, I call it the stain test. This one is very simple. What you do is you get a white surface, preferably a white piece of paper or a white piece of cloth. And then you apply just small quantity, just a drop of the palm oil on it. Don't go apply everything on it, just small you need. So once you apply, you use your finger to spread it. As you're spreading it, notice the color on the white surface you have. Ensure that the color there is orange and not red. If you have anything other than orange, my sister, no blanch that shrub again. No, na crayon you dey use cook, no be palm oil. So the last test I'll be showing you is called the bleaching test. What you do is you put a pan on fire, and then you pour small quantity of your palm oil over it. As you bleed the palm oil, notice how it behaves. If it starts foaming as if you pour more inside the palm oil, that palm oil is bad though. No blanch that shrub again. Just leave that woman side. No, they buy anything for there again. But if you have a clear palm oil,